In this video, we are going to see how we can unlock any Excel sheet without knowing the password. That's right. So here in this particular workbook, we have 3 Excel sheets. One is this journal ledger, one is balance sheet, one is trial balance. So let's first of all protect the sheet. Now it's very simple to protect the sheet. Right click on this, click on protect sheet, click on set the password 1234, and here are all the settings. So the user can select the lock cells, select any unlock cells, but they won't be able to make any kind of changes to the sheet. And that is only for one sheet. Let's re-enter the password to confirm. And now this sheet is protected. Whenever I try to make any changes, it shows you that you need to unprotect the sheet and enter a password, but all the other sheets are unprotected. So basically it's not a file password or a workbook password, it's an Excel sheet password. But let's say that now after some days you forgot this password and you need to unlock this without a password. So first of all, what we do is just close the Excel file, click save, and make sure it's completely closed. And what we need to do is just paste it in some folder, let's say this one, and click on the view tab at the top, click on show, and we need to enable file name extensions so that you can see the XLSX extension at the end. So once we see this extension, just right click on this and rename the file. So just right click here, click on rename from the top. Now just change this extension, remove this one right here, zip.zip, hit enter, and it will say if you change the file name extension, the file might become unusable. Are you sure you want to change it? Click yes. Now just go to this zip folder. It will contain multiple folders and files. Go to Excel folder, click on the worksheets folder, and here we see multiple sheets with XML extension. What we do is, since our first sheet is protected only, what we can do is just resize the windows and we just move it from here to desktop, and just right click here, open with, and choose notepad. Click just once or always, whatever you like. And here, to make it easier to read, we just click on, let me just close it. I just closed the other file that was already open in the notepad. So to make it easier to read, we just click on edit and click on word wrap or view or word wrap. You can turn that on. And then we click on edit, click on find, and just search for this word, sheet protect. Make sure to write it exactly like this. And from here, just make sure to delete all of this part that starts with angle bracket. So let's say sheet protection is found here. So it starts with this angle bracket, and wherever this bracket is ending, you just delete till that part. So it will be till scenarios 1, which is the first angle bracket closed. Just remove that. After that, just save this file and close the notepad. Now just cut this file from here and paste it in the zip folder and copy and replace this. And after that, just go to the main folder and rename the file again to XLSX. Now hit enter. It will again ask you if you've changed the file extension. Do you want to change it? Click yes. And it is back to the Excel format. Open this up, and after that you should be able to see that you can now edit this sheet without any problem, and the password is removed without knowing it. So that's how you can unlock an Excel sheet without the password if you forgot the password. This is a quick solution for you. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.